Hi everyone! Hi, today we're doing an experiment!
Yeah, today also we are going to do a magic science experiment.
Yeah!
So for that what we need is
A bowl,
a bowl, a
candle,
and we use some food coloring
food
to
coloring,
make it fun,
yeah,
and some water.
some fire.
Yeah. So first we're going to pour some water into the container. Do you want to help me with that, please? Okay. A little bit more. Okay.
It's all done now.
Can you
There's
help-
spill right there.
Can you help me adding one squish of food coloring? Okay.
I don't mix it.
You want to mix it?
Yeah.
Okay, it's not ready enough. You want to add a little bit more? Okay. More? One more?
No. It's there.
Next, what we do is we keep the candle on the center of the container. Can you help me with that, please? Center. Very good job.
It looks like a birthday cake.
Yeah,
I
it
love
looks
it.
like a birthday cake right in the center. So next, I'm going to light up this candle. So
Okay.
you should always use a grown-up to do this part, okay?
Okay.
I'm going to light up the candle. What can you see? It's lighting up without any issue, right?
Yeah.
It doesn't go off, right?
Yeah.
But let's do the magical part now, okay?
Yeah, on
The
the top.
science part, where we gently put this on here and see what's happened to the flame. What's happening to the flame? It's going down, and then what's happening to the water?
It lifted up.
It's rising up, right?
Yeah.
It went up.
Yeah.
Do you know why that happened?
Yeah.
Science! So what happened? When the candle burns up, it uses the air inside the glass. When all the oxygen gas finished inside the gas, the flame went off. So what happened? Then the water goes up to fill up that air. Okay?
Yeah.
See? See what's like. Oh, did you see that? It was pressure, right?
Yeah, then it went down.
Yeah, that was the air pressure. It was trying to push the water inside the glass. Do you want to do more science experiments like this more?
Yeah, but I want to make Punji birthday cake now. I like this experiment today. It's all finished. And let's go to make cake. Bye-bye, everyone. Please subscribe.